Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to correctly use Barclays Card Machine. So make sure you watch till the very end because there are separate methods. So first one is the contactless payments. So at the ready prompt, you're going to press the card button option, and the card holder, which means you, should hold your card, the payment device, against the display screen showing the contactless symbol as you can see in the image within 4 centimeter. And if the transaction is above the payment limit, then they'll let you know. After that, once it's done, it will beep or bleep to acknowledge that the transaction has been done, and the row of LED lights will flash. And if your transaction has gone through, your screen will show approve and your card machine will print a receipt, and then it will only receive print like the merchant receipt. So just you can take that out, and if you request a receipt at the ready prompt, press the gray button and the customer receipt will be printed, and you can press the green button one more time to return to the ready prompt. And this is basically how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.